Series 15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies as well as some more humid conditions this morning. Going to see some sunshine this afternoon as well as a slight chance of pop-up shower or thunderstorm. We'll run that slight chance of a pop-up shower this morning into the afternoon hours. Once we get some bit more instability with the heating of the day, we'll see a slight chance of a thunderstorm this afternoon. But overall, those chances are only about 20% today. Have light winds in general today out of the southeast. And once we move into tomorrow, we'll have Hurricane Aaron tracking off the coast. It's going to give us a bit more in the way of wind across the region, seeing some wind gusts around 35 to 40 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon, as well as a brief shower. So going to see some fringe effects from Hurricane Aaron once we move into tomorrow. But for today, just more of a summery day across the region. Temperatures in the mid-80s for highs and more humid across the region. Our current surface analysis shows a wedge of high pressure over the area. We do have a very weak area of low pressure currently continuing to ride along this stationary boundary in the area that's giving some locations off to our west some shower activity this morning, but overall going to see only a slight chance of a pop-up shower or a thunderstorm this afternoon. You can see Hurricane Aaron's location here well off the eastern seaboard, and that will continue to remain off the eastern seaboard in between the Outer Banks and Bermuda through today into tomorrow, and then finally exiting off into the open waters of the Atlantic for Friday. Taking a look at our current observation, a broken deck at 1,000 feet as well as 7,500. Have some reduced visibilities with some mist at 5 statute miles. Light winds of the east-southeast at 3 knots. Temperature 76 degrees and relative humidity at 93%. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we do have a good amount of low-level cloud cover across the area. That will continue to burn off throughout the morning into the afternoon hours, and looking like a fairly good day in regards to the low-level cloud cover as they'll burn off across the region, seeing more sunshine. We'll start to see the cirrus from Hurricane Aaron start to move into the region, and that's going to kind of cap our thunderstorm chances for this afternoon, as we'll have a bit more in the way of that cirrus across the region, limiting the overall potential for the heating across the area. And taking a look at the HRRR model for today, you can see a possibility of a shower this morning, and then in the afternoon hours, most likely the showers and thunderstorms will be to the north and west of the region with a southeasterly surface flow that should keep the convergence off to our north and to our west today. And we move in the overnight hours, you can see that overcast deck of the upper level cirrus moving towards the region and over the area, and that's going to just give us some more breezy conditions to move into tomorrow morning with the pressure gradient tightening across the region. So looking at today's forecast, we'll see a high today of 85 degrees, a low tonight of 74. Those slight chances of some showers and thunderstorms today, as well as a slight chance of a rain shower tomorrow morning. We'll have a slight chance of seeing ceilings below 500 feet this morning, but most likely they will be above that, around 800 to 1,000 feet this morning. And then once those ceilings do burn off, we'll see in general partly cloudy skies this afternoon. We'll see heating indices today in the lower 90s, so we'll feel much more like summer today. Moving into the morning tomorrow, we'll see those northeasterly winds pick up 13 to 18 knots, gusts to 25 knots, and we'll start to see those winds increase, as I mentioned, for tomorrow, seeing wind gusts between 35 and 40 miles an hour. As far as our 24-hour terminal forecast goes, we'll see those slight chances of showers this morning, as well as showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Ceilings will be above 3,000 feet if we do see any ceilings for this afternoon, so VFR conditions. And once we move into tomorrow morning, we're going to see that low cloud move back in the region with some showers in the vicinity, a broken deck around 600 feet with a wind gust of 25 knots tomorrow morning at 8 local. Our tides are about half to 1 foot above normal. Looking at Thursday and Friday. Thursday, overcast and mostly cloudy with a few rain showers in the area. Be windy with wind gusts between 35 and 40 miles an hour, as I mentioned. High around 80 degrees. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. During the evening, becoming mostly clear and cooler overnight. Breezy early, low of 63 degrees. And for Friday, looks like a very nice day to end the work week. Mostly sunny and pleasant. High of 81 degrees. Some slightly breezy winds in the morning. Otherwise, looking like less humid and temperatures in the lower 80s. Green chart across the board. So a very nice Friday across the region. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everybody has a great day. Back at 10 o'clock. Look next 7 days.